Okay guys, I've been having some problems for a while now with this flap thing. It's not really holding. Yes, I'm going to try to change these parts. I was going to leave it for the guys to do because they're outside working, but they're painting. I have here a new set. I've never done this before, you know. But I was supposed to go on YouTube and check it out, but what I'm going to do... We call it the wrench drop on my foot. Yeah, I don't want them to not doing it. I'm going to remove these. Yeah, and I'm going to take off this whole tank. So I'll see how these are fitted up, and then I'll just replace them and I'll put it back up. Yes, so guys, wish me luck, eh? Yeah, I'm going to try a thing. I hope I don't drop this and break it, because there's another toilet set for the next bathroom. I went to move it and I broke it. Yeah, broke the tank. So wish me luck, guys. Okay guys, I'll check back in. Yeah, I'll be doing this off camera and I'll check back with you. Seems like I'm stuck. I'm trying to remove this. I tried to take off this, but I'm not sure. So guess what, guys? I'm going to YouTube. Yes. I don't want anybody to come in and see me, so I'm going to do a quick search and come back. Okay guys, so I went on YouTube, so I got it off. So I'm going to be removing this so I can get the inner piece out. I'm going to connect it back fast. So guys, I'm just going to show you when I'm finished, right? Alrighty, I don't want to get caught. Okay, so I took the old parts off. So this is the piece that was under that the rubber sits into. I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm gonna be fitting this thing back together. Yes, I have my new parts. So guys, let me see if I can set the camera up and show you what I'm doing. Okay, I now notice that this piece is the piece that is sitting on in there. So I'm going to remove that one as well. Where's my pliers? Can't find my glove now, so I'm using a plastic one. Yeah, so I remove this. And I clean up the area. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to put this one down in there. I hope it's good. Yeah. No. Like that. Okay. So this is going to go in, and then it will sit under. Alright. Okay. I got the tank. Taking this off. Okay. sure the camera is lined up properly. Guys, I'm wondering if I'm doing the right thing. Yeah. Okay, that's supposed to go there. This is supposed to sit right back in there. Okay. Hope I don't drop this thing, you know. Okay. I'm not even sure if the piece inside is on correctly. If there's a specific way so it goes. Like this. Oops, wrong direction. Hey guys, my left hand isn't good. So this should fit down in that. I'm not even sure if I have the, oh, that don't, the direction don't make a problem, a difference, I'm not sure. And I have to turn this in right there. Okay, I'm gonna fix it, guys, because it's, you know, let me show you. I have this over to this side. I want to bring it, put this part to the back. Yeah, so when I put in the next part there, it should be all good. Alrighty. Okay, guys, I got sellout, because one of the guys wanted to use the washroom. Then wanted to use the toilet, so we get set up, sellout. So what I'm doing now, I'm installing the float. Yeah. So I got these things in. I have to make sure that everything is tightened up properly on the underside. I have to connect back the water. Yes, and then I'm gonna try it out, okay? So I have to put back on the handle and so on. Take this piece off. Okay. And then this from the thing is I'll put it in the last one. Guys, this thing is not sitting flat. I hope I put it in correctly. But I'm going to connect back the water and I'm going to try it out. Yeah, so this is the pipe for the water. So I'm going to make sure this is tightened. Guess what? My wrench can't open wide enough, so. I'm going to put some more tape around it. Guys, everything gone haywire now. I'm coming back. something strange just happened. This is the one that belongs to this, but when I put it on, it's not fitting snug. The water is still leaking through. I put on the one that was on before, and it's sitting properly. So seems that I've just changed something that was good. Probably something just wanted some adjustment. Anyways, that's no problem. I'm gonna clean up all the other parts. I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna put them away. Yes, and keep them just in the event that something happens. So there, guys, there you go. I just have to hook back up that piece, and I'm gonna flush and show you what happens. Hey. Okay, guys. So if you look to the bottom there, you would see that there's still a little leakage. Yeah, it's still, so the caulk, the stopper, whatever you call it, the rubber thing, the flap. Yeah, as I told you, I use back the old one until I can figure out the new one. So I'm gonna flush it again and see. Okay, she's flushing there. Okay, so it went back down. Okay. So it's full, and it's just barely running back out, seeping down. So what I'm gonna do to correct, what I'm gonna do to save, yes, my water and my electricity, I'm gonna turn off the valve, the water valve, when this tank is full. Yes, guys. So there you have it. I've just saved me tons of money. Yeah, I've just saved me some money here. So I'm gonna turn off the valve and see how, if this water is gonna run back out. Alrighty. So I'm gonna check back in on it. No, I don't think it's leaking. I think I'm not sure. I'll check it back and see. Yeah. My dad always tells us, if you're working on something and you can't figure it out, don't hurt your head too much. Put it down, take a break, sleep on it. Next day, go back to it, and it will come to you.